Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a online game you can play for free. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so the website link you can find in the description and visit this website. So this is an online game you can play for free. So I'm gonna show you. Waiting for start. This game is just like Counter-Strike. It's for online, so you can play for free. As you can see, somehow you can play. It also works in low internet connection. I found so. Anyways guys, so this game works like that, so you can just play by your own self. So I just want to show you this website so you can just check out by yourself. And if you have any question, so let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make some videos, let me know. And also don't forget to like and subscribe, and till then I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.